It's your girl LissaMarie, and I'm back with another Sephora unboxing. So if you want to see what I got this month, just continue watching. I'm gonna jump right into this.
Most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot the shot.
Right. So I don't never have like a scissors or something. But alrighty. Oh, I'm living for these colors, Sephora. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And of course the little pamphlet that we'll look at later. But I'm living for this. This blue color. Alright. So per usual, I'm gonna just dump everything out. We're gonna go ahead and look at it and we're gonna jump right in. Okay, that's everything. I'm here for this blue Sephora. I'm even light blue. I'm like such a pink type of girl, but I am definitely here for this blue. Anyways, yeah, just throw that anywhere. The first thing I see. Oh, what is this? Okay, so I gotta see if this is my color match first, and then I'm gonna try this on. But okay, I'm looking for this to try it out. Oh, this is we got a big bottle. Ooh, we got a big bottle. Okay, this is not perfume, that's why. Night Body Serum. Okay. Oh, it's a night serum. Ooh. It's a nice. Okay. My next thing is from Tarte, and it's water foundation. Ooh. I hope these things are my my match so I can try them. I live for Tarte. I love. This would probably be a highlight for me because that's very, very light. But I could finesse something to make into a highlighter. We can make this work. So what color? Oh, okay. It is Tan Sand in 42S. So I don't think you can see that. But yeah, so little light for my face, but I can probably use that as a highlighter. So I'm not too upset. This is a setting spray, Cover FX, and I need a dewy setting spray. 24-hour wear. Doesn't say if it's a matte or a dewy setting spray. I'm moving away from. I don't have any makeup on today, but I'm moving away from matte stuff. But it doesn't really stay, so I'm excited to try this. I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm hoping it's just a regular setting spray and not a matte setting spray. But that's this Cover FX. What is this? Of course, I would say I'm moving away from that, but this is lipstick. So, is this lipstick? Ooh. No, what is it? Oh, velvet skin, matte velvet skin. Okay, so it's not lipstick. It is foundation, it looks like. Yep, it is foundation, but it's cool. It's cool because just because I'm trying to get away from don't mean I won't. Ooh. And that looks like it'll actually be in my skin complexion. Like it almost melts. A little bit dark, but oh, this will do. This will be like when I'm trying to go to the gym or something where I'm not really trying to put on makeup, but you know, just cover up my little imperfections or whatever. So I have this, and oh, y'all, I always get something on my shirt, and of course, like, it never fails. But anyways, that's this one, and last but not least, oh, I don't know, I've heard mixed reviews. This is Smashbox primer, the photo finish primer, and I've heard mixed reviews. Some people really love this, and then some people are just like, no, they don't like it. But this is the original one, and I'm very excited to try it because I haven't tried it. I was debating on if I was even going to go get it, and I have it now, so nothing before it's time. Back to this one. I already showed you what this one was. I'm trying to see if I can find the color of what, the one that's right here in big bold letters. So they sent me the color Blend in 430. So, I don't know. That's what this looks like. And like I said, the color 430. That was the box. I don't make these videos very long. I just go through to show you guys what I got because I love unboxing videos. And yeah, this is the pen. Oh, girl. This is the pen flip. And to start off, the first end is the photo finish. And I'm going to just let you look at them. And this was everything that we got for today. And the body serum replaced the perfume, so not too upset about that. I'm actually excited to try that. I have that right here. I'm gonna actually try this tonight. It says a little midnight snack for your skin, an overnight serum. So I'm actually really excited to try this. I'm happy with the box that I got this month. I got a lot of makeup, like foundation and stuff like that. So I'm actually excited to play around with this Makeup Forever and the photo finish Smashbox are my top two things that I'm super excited to try. But that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching me. Until next month, when I have my next Sephora box, of course, I will see you guys then. I'm trying to think, but that's it. Peace, love, and many blessings to you. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.